Grow is to be
Guys,
accountable.
nagpublic apology na po
Earlier,
si
di
Miss
po namin
Yana.
naabutan si Kuya
Sa
Jimmy
nangyari?
Pascual sa bahay niya at sa work niya
Same
to
scenario to
personally
sa
apologize.
nag-trending noon sa Antipolo Road
So,
Rage.
I would like to take this opportunity to say
Yung
sorry
pinost niya yung sariling
to
video para
Kuya
mag-trending
Jimmy
at siya
for
pa yung
what I've
nabash.
caused. And of course,
Katulad nito.
as well as to those people
So, ang
who
nangyari
got
ngayon,
dragged
nag-public
into the
apology
issue.
dahil nasermona ng mga
Sorry
kapatid.
din po sa citizen of Zambales,
Mayaman nga to si
the
ate at
riding community,
mata pobre.
especially the off-road community. This issue is
Maswerte
all
lang
on
to at
me.
si Jimmy
I'm still
Pascual
learning. This one
mahinahon.
especially the hard way.
at
I
persona ng
promise to
grata
be
na
more
rin pala
patient
pala
next
ito
time,
sa
especially on the road.
Zambales.
And I'll listen to my ates and kuyas.
Katulad na
more.
katulad talaga to dun
Na-feel
sa
ko na po
nag-trending
yung
sa
mundong
Antipolo.
maraming galit and ayoko na
Sariling
pong
video na
maulit po
post
yun.
kaya nabash.
Again, sorry po at pasensya po
Nag-trending
ulit.
nga, nabash
Maraming
ka
salamat.
naman.